Okay, July 4th, 1988. Go ahead.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of
Christian flag.
Okay, let's start again. Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Free is of the great and long liberty of the unseen. Land will all the time, land on the hill, from every mountain, let freedom ring.
Yay.
The B-I-B-L-E. Yeah, that's the book for me.
I'm not gonna sing it either.
Well, I forgot the last. That's right. I stand up. Oh no, I've lost it. Are we going to stand up on the word of God? B-I-B-L-E.
Who is it?
If you turn around, you'll see.
Charlie and
Right there.
Kathy.
Get to see my cute legs.
Hold on, let me get a close-up.
Huh?
Okay, I'm getting a close-up. Kathy, where's your cute legs? Say hello. You look cute. And slowly. Well, I was going to take a picture of him. I can't find him. Oh, there he is. Wait. Okay, hold on. Let me back up. This is my July 4th tape. So you the first to arrive. Punctual as usual. Chuck's drinking a beer. You're not hitting him.
Who else is going to be
Artie
here?
and Debbie.
Debbie and Artie and Carl and us. Y'all hungry?
Nanny gonna
No,
stay?
she's going to Roger Rabbit. You're not hungry?
Yeah.
Good. Well, she'll eat your portion. He's not telling his head no.
Chuck's you not hungry? What a pretty sweater,
Isn't that pretty?
Middle of winter. Middle of summer.
Well, check it. That's all right.
So what? It's pretty.
It's a summer sweater. It is, dear.
So doesn't she look pretty, Mother, with that perm?
Yeah, it's in that sack. You gonna do them, I hope?
Let the boys do them.
I want you through the window. Yeah, weird. A big top. I've never seen these.
What are those?
Hen laying egg.
What do they do?
I don't know. I just came out here when it got through.
I'm gonna sit out here and watch.
Okay, hold
Oh,
on.
where's she?
Scars. Charlie and Kathy, Nanny, Artie, Debbie, Monica.
$50 worth of
Oh, Dad.
That was his present?
Yeah.
Is that it?
So New Year's Eve, we really had a ball out. Found out later he didn't even like to do that.
He didn't like to do fireworks?
No. Speak! Yeah. Well, you got the chicken standing up.
Dog and stuff.
Another dud.
These are,
Afraid of the noise.
let's do one of them.
Don't do that one!
Huh?
Don't do
We're just going to do one. Let's see what it does.
More easy.
Pretty lighter.
He loves them, but he's scared of them. Chicken's good, Nick.
Thank you.
Where's that bird do
I think you just like those tissues.
What do you do? You throw it up in the air?
What happens?
I don't know.
I'm glad we have Charlie to do that lecture. What are they?
Could be some kind of food there, right?
I guess none of them are working.
Huh?
None of them have worked yet.
What?
The fireworks.
Oh, I know.
Why don't
Right,
you just
why
use
they're
the
half
mask
right.
and not the pump? Look at that face.
Well, please.
Use the mask.
I don't know anything about fireworks.
Go up on the table,
How much is it?
Freezing that for you got any? You got lighter, Debbie?
Hi, Audrey.
There's that dimple Debbie told me you had and I didn't believe.
Smile big.
Wait a minute. Wait. Okay, let me see.
Smile big.
Smile big. Show the dimple. There's the
See?
dimple. Your kids have to have dimples. There's Debbie's dimple. Debbie, show your dimple.
What's Evan? Oh, Evan's scared of me.
Yes,
Oh, bunny.
What does it do?
I've never
Right now,
heard of,
nothing.
I've never heard anything else except getting fireworks. Oh, they are.
That's it. Get out of the way. Okay, here's
that
loud?
Pan to the...
Oh, pan.
No, bunny.
That's what it does.
Statue of Liberty.
Well, it's pretty at night.
Yeah, right? Better wait till
Looks
night.
there's a
like
double
a
excitement
Statue
going on.
of Liberty. There's two. There's a chicken.
Yes.
Sparkler.
It's gonna burn the ground. Might blow up.
Sparkler.
Get the boys together.
Save them for night.
Yeah, that would be pretty at night.
Pretty dangerous.
They're supposed to, but they don't.
We need to wait till it starts. You swing
Yeah.
chicken, it worked.
Chicken Little. Hey, let's put them. Hey,
The end.
There's Nika. Green smart.
What?
keep the shirt on.
Remember when we used to have them bottle rocket wars?
Those are cool, right?
In the back room.
Who was it that?
Birthday to America.
How old is America?
208.
How did you know that?
No, that's not right. 76, 77, 78. 202.
You're so
That's
smart.
what it is.
How did you know
202.
that?
Because when was the bicentennial?
Who knows?
Anyways, that's how I knew.
chicken on the ground.
Sounded good.
1976.
Very good.
76, 77, yeah. 202.
Is this the dangerous one? Is that the dangerous one?
There's my chicken used to be.
Wait, I'm going in.
Huh, Mother?
That's the dangerous.
The remnants of my chicken.
Oh.
Yum, isn't that tasty looking?
I mean, that was the best chicken I ever ate.
Well, you've been some pretty poor places, huh?
And there she came. Come on. There she came. You can't love Nanny, but Nanny always feeds.
Oh, you spoil them, Nanny.
I know. Well, everybody I touch. They really do. Enjoy doing
Here
it.
comes baby.
Oh,
Hey,
baby.
you know this thing might spin
There you
around
go,
on
baby.
the stick.
There you go.
Slow panning.
What's he got?
Oh.
The guys always do that. They always figure out
Jeez, Paula.
dumb things.
What did he do?
The
Went out
firecrackers falling out of that.
He says if he does it, it might spin around on the stick.
You guys are so funny.
Well, you pull that.
Look, he looks
firecracker out of the
thrilled.
What?
Look how excited Artie looks, Debbie.
It is?
Look how what?
Yeah.
Excited he looked.
Oh, go away.
Yeah, that pump.
Smile.
Firecracker.
Honey. Wave.
Yeah, that was
He can hardly contain his enthusiasm.
Wave. These are action films. Ah!
What?
Nothing. You missed it.
Uh-oh.
Be glad. Woo!
Where's Bun? Still inside?
Oh, is that all it does?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really. Remember, I bought it for a
Bunny.
5-year-old, not a 25-year-old. If I'd known a 25-year-old would do it, I would have got some of those adults that shoot 20 feet in the air.
What are you making, Carl?
But there was sure a lot of people out there buying fireworks.
Where'd you go, Mom?
Off Bernie Stage Road.
On the end of that,
Out
and
I
it starts
18.
it up.
That has
That's
bothered
far.
that bothered those dogs at all.
Oh, it started.
Where are you, Bunny?
In the doorway.
Carl, what you gonna do, Carl?
I don't see him.
Are you making dessert?
Conky, come by Mother. I'll protect
He
you.
has a coal in there.
Ooh, I think
Put it on the end of that one that Charlie has, Steve.
Evan, come here. Evan?
Give Evan the sparkler.
Evan.
Is that a dangerous one?
No, that one doesn't do anything. Look, Evan, you want to hold that sparkler?
Here.
And your mom will take a picture
you
of
can
you?
hold that.
It's not
Yeah.
dangerous.
Oh, honey, you
that
can
one.
hold it. Go hold it. Go on, quick.
Yeah.
You know
No.
what
Carl.
those ducks are for?
That's what
You're
it
supposed
does.
to
That's
put
all
them
it
chickens
does.
in the water.
Are you allowed to touch this?
Yeah, that's
No.
the only kind you're
I
allowed
thought
to
you were
touch,
supposed to put
though.
them
That's the only kind. That's right.
So,
Don't float, it's a little boat.
Give it to him, Carl. Hog.
You one.
oh, after you.
Here. Take it.
I don't want to hold it.
It's all
I
right.
promise it's okay. Come on.
It's all right.
Are you allowed to touch this?
Yeah, hold it.
Yes.
Do I have to?
Yes.
I promise, Evan. I promise it's okay.
Woo! Wave it around. Yeah.
He looks
See?
real relaxed, doesn't he?
Carl, hold it.
It'll go out in a second. That's the end.
Hold it.
It's almost done. There.
It won't hurt
That's
you.
It. That's all it does.
Look at him.
You know that would.
Go.
These ought to be pretty at night.
That one was free and it's supposed to be
Don't
dangerous.
do it.
Is anybody getting
It's
bitten?
dangerous. Yes.
Let's get the off
I
out.
don't know what it does.
Let's go inside.
Just
Let me
light
go
it
get
to
some
my
out
neck. Come on,
inside.
my neck. Don't to my neck.
Okay.
Evan,
It says light fuse and get away.
it's because I told him about the eye poked out.
Hand over.
Really good.
United.
Well, move that other
Don't do it.
junk.
Don't do it.
Take away all that other stuff.
It's because I told him that story about the eye being poked out. Remember?
Whose eye got poked out?
Somebody, one of my customers' husband's eye got poked out when they were doing fireworks. They thought it had gone off, and they went and looked at it, and it poked up in their eye. So I told him that. Now he's scared to death.
I wonder I'm strong.
Come inside. I'm scared.
We
I
know.
have to.
My baby.
There's a status.
Here.
Well, it won't matter. The dogs just scrape it off anyway.
First one.
Dangerous?
Well, I don't think it's
Yeah, you just gotta watch it.
dangerous.
What is it?
Here.
It was free.
Well, the match.
Right here.
That's probably the eye poker outer.
Said it was free. I mean, he said to have an adult do that.
Sounds dangerous to me.
Oh, Chuck, you better not do it.
Don't put your eye in there.
I said an adult to do it.
Yay, Kathy. She got
Well,
him.
that rules us all out.
Well, watch. He isn't even watching. Where is he?
He's scared. He went in the other room.
Bob!
Evan, you can't get your eye poked out through the glass.
Where is he? Evan? Is he
Probably
still
down
in
the
living
street.
room or in the dining room?
He's probably down the street.
No more pump.
And then go for matches.
Artie, you didn't buy a whole bunch of things this year?
He has some left over from 2 years ago. He has fireworks deluxe.
Bring it in over.
Yeah, if you're gonna do it, you ought to do it
Got
right.
rockets and all kinds of
Do it.
good stuff.
Maybe they won't
Remember
find
last
it.
year when we bought all those fireworks and then the cops came? We did one firework and then he had to throw them under the car because the police car came around the corner.
Yes.
Whoa!
Did he jump?
Charlie did.
What's the matter, Chuck? You can't do it.
Throw on it.
There it goes. It's gonna go now.
Woo. What's he got it on? A little car or
Choo-choo
something?
train. Did you get that on film?
Hey, let's do that again.
Don't do it.
Let's do that again.
Man.
Look.
Look, Evan, you can. That's one of those sparklers.
Whoa.
House goes on fire.
Look at it looks like it's.
What's the matter, Evan?
It got up there.
Oh no, Chuck got it.
Come here, Evan.
He put it out, Evan.
Move, honey. Come sit over here. Come sit over here, Evan. Do a dance, Chuck.
Don't throw it anymore. Scares me.
Ow. Put it in your nose.
No. Fire breather. It looks plenty dark in here.
It's dark in there. I heard some other ones too.
I can.
It's gonna pop.
Scared me.
Does it speak?
Look.
Do another chicken, okay? Please.
Evan likes the
Can you
chicken.
please do another chicken?
Move, Evan.
Hot stuff.
Evan, please move back.
Coming to get you. I'm coming to get you. Oh, something's on fire.
Something's on fire.
No, it's not, Evan. Is that all? Is the sparklers and those chickens?
I think that's all that's left.
Wow, look at
Oh,
Charlie.
that one's pretty.
Uh-huh. See here, it's black and white, so it doesn't look pretty, but I'm sure it's pretty. Ah.
Because you're walking.
You had Bernie cheek. Do another chicken.
There's your chicken, Evan.
Oh, shut. Gotta. Quick, it's gonna blow up.
No, it won't. Wow.
Eee.
I'm Walk in the grass.
There it goes, catching fire.
I can't believe
Find
that
a short
catches
stick
fire.
There, boy.
Look at all the gloriousness.
Wow. Look at him.
Evan, go get a sparkler to play with.
I don't have him. Ah! Okay.
Go on, Evan, go get one.
Chuck, give Evan a sparkler. You want one, Evan?
I'll get. Yeah, I want a sparkler, but not like that.
One that you can
Let
hold.
Chuck will do it. Chuck will give you one.
They don't burn you this kind, Evan.
This should burn fast. Hurry. Quick.
Take it, take it.
It's burning out.
It's just like that one you had, Evan.
What do you think it's going to do? Bite you? You don't have teeth.
You think it's
Yeah.
Evan, I swear.
Oh, that's a pretty one, Evan.
Dude, that's a kitty land.
They don't hurt.
These things.
That was a pretty one, Evan.
What are y'all doing? Don't waste the chicken.
Woo!
I don't know if that's a good idea or not. Looks like witch's brew.
Send it.
How do you get it all out?
I'll be the fire department.
I will.
Look, Gandalf.
That is funny.
Quick, turn it off.
Those chickens are dying. Oh,
Whoa.
Oh no! Is it on fire?
Oh my God.
It's okay, Elf.
How will we get it out? We have to spread it out. Ah, shucks. I'm
What to do, man?
Watch out, watch out. Shit. Whoa.
Now we have another instant replay Charlie dance.
Oh.
What a scaredy cat, Charlie.
Still, honey.
I'm
You keep blocking the camera.
I'm scared.
Nah, don't do that, man. Put them in.
Move, Evan. No.
They're gonna go all over the place.
No, they're not going to shoot anywhere. They're going nowhere.
Evan, move away, honey.
what are you
Alright.
putting in
Move
there?
away.
Chuck, go put the...
Nah, don't do that. That'll go from the air.
What was that?
Drill off
Get the water ready, man.
Shoot it out, Carl.
Carl's ready.
Your mama.
Watch out, you Brady! Watch out!
Hold still, Evan. You're shaking me, and I'm shaking the camera. It's going to be a fuzzy picture.
Where are you going? Is it all over?
All over in the back, too. Those suckers. Okay, good. This one, too. Thanks. And get Ev's legs, would you?
Evan.
Thanks.
Thank
I think they're just getting my feet. How about you?
My ankles.
Yeah. There must be
They're not
something in the
getting-
grass.
They're not getting my arm.
Mm-mm. Ouch, Evan.
Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
What is that you're cooking, Charlie?
What are y'all doing?
Nah, it's got something in there.
Something's gonna blow up.
There it goes.
Oh, go.
Stop
Sorry,
it,
Evan.
man.
Look, it's pretty, Evan.
See how pretty?
I'm scared of the fire.
Look at Chuck. Ah!
You're gonna get your lips burned.
Yeah, no more kissing.
No more kissing of Kathy. Charlie loves Kathy.
Indeed,
And
sweetheart.
Kathy loves Charlie.
That's right, honey.
No, no, no.
It burn you?
And then,
Nuh-uh. Cause you
No.
keep them.
does it say it yet?